Hi, welcome to another DIY. Here I am using a round mirror which is around 13 inch or 33 centimeter in diameter. You can use any size which is bigger or smaller than this. You don't need to have exact size I'm using. I cut out a cardboard like this with an inner diameter which is the same as the outer diameter of the mirror. As you can see, I'm measuring here. It has a 4-inch border. I'm using a baby pink color 4-way stretch velvet fabric. I'm cutting out a circle shape which is 3 to 4 centimeter larger in diameter than the cardboard. Then I cut out a form to the same size and shape of the cardboard. Place the cardboard over the fabric, then arrange and adjust it all around. Glue the outer seam into the cardboard. I'm using hot glue. At this point we don't need to stretch the velvet a lot because once we complete the inner side we will be doing it again. I cut out the center part like this by leaving a 4 to 5 centimeter seam. Insert the form and arrange it into the proper place. I'm using 3 thin layers of foam because I didn't have a thick foam in stock, but you can use a 1/2 inch thick foam which will be perfect for the project. In this part, I'm stretching and securing the inner seam with hot glue. As I mentioned earlier, I am redoing the outer side to get a perfect appearance. Use a hair dryer to melt the glue and we can easily remove the fabric. And at this part I will be stretching and securing the fabric. To make a backing board, I covered a round cardboard with pink color satin material. I'm using a pin to indicate where exactly the bracket has to be. Don't worry, I'll be removing it later. To fix the mirror, I'm using a combination of Gorilla Glue and hot glue. Press the mirror into the glue carefully. We can decorate the outer edge of the mirror glass with some lace or a rhinestone trim. You can customize it with what you like. For this mirror, I'm using lace. It actually turned out really pretty, and at the same time it is cheap to make. It is actually a good choice for a wedding decor or even to decorate your little princess room. So comment below what you think, and until I see you next week, bye bye.